Welcome to my channel Feel Good Within. This is Priyanka here, and today I'm going to tell you how to attract abundance in your life. So the first thing which I want to tell you is that focus on the abundance which you already have in your life. If you have good clothes, good jewelry, good home, loving people in your life, no matter how much money is there in your bank account, be grateful about it. So if you will focus on the lack, you will attract more lack circumstances in your life, and if you will focus on the abundance, you will have more abundance in your life. And as Bob Protector says, you need to imagine and believe that you already have the money which you want in your life, and it's so much fun to do it. You will notice as you play games and pretend to have a lot of wealth that you instantly feel better about the money, and the more you feel better, the more abundance you attract in your life actually. The only reason few people don't have money is because they're blocking money by their own thoughts. So every negative thought, feeling or emotion is actually blocking the abundance in your life, and it's blocking your good coming to you. If you don't have enough money, it's because you're stopping yourself from money to come into your life, and you're doing it with your own thoughts. So you must tip the balance from the lack of money to having enough money in your life. So what you have to do is that think more thoughts of abundance than of lack. So think good thoughts, think more of the abundance, think about all the good things which you have in your life. So the shortcut to anything in life is to feel and be happy right now. So it is the fastest way to attract anything in your life. So raise your vibration, stay happy, and attract all the good things in your life and attract abundance in your life. So I hope you guys really like my video, and if you guys like it, you guys can click on like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. Also don't forget to give wonderful comments. Have a wonderful and a blessed day ahead, everyone. I love you all. Take care. Bye bye.